Here we are, 5th of November. It's been a beautiful day. The sun's been shining, just gorgeous. One of those lovely crisp autumn days. But it's also the first day of lockdown version 2. So usually we have Bonfire tonight. I've no idea what people will be doing. There may be people out in their gardens setting off fireworks. Whatever it is, this one's supposed to be 28 days. It may go on longer. But it's an ideal time to just sit back, think about what it is you might want to do after lockdown's finished. Maybe reevaluate where your life's going. There are lots of positives to be had in this kind of situation. So my message today is really think about what you want in your life, for the future. And also have a very happy bonfire night.